She can't see a thing.
This wasn't bad enough being awake. Okay, all I see is a headlight.
All right, so we're here live in the cabin for New Year. We're going to drop the ball. As you can see, it's a pretty cool ball, and we're ready to drop it. How much time we got to go here? There's the ball on the TV, and here is the ball live.
We're using the ball on the TV so we know what to do. Theirs is electronic, it looks like.
Yeah, we're just trying to figure out.
Yeah, they say they're almost there.
Right, are you going to do the blocks on the ball,
Yeah.
Jane?
And then I'm going to take the camera for a walk around the property. We have a reception.
Sorry, I'm like shining the torch here right in.
I feel like I've been being interrogated. Yes. So that's the whole plan. I'm a little tired. Elizabeth is sleeping. We've had a lovely dinner from Betty Tingley that was delicious. And then I fell asleep and I just woke up again to watch the ball drop, or to make the ball drop. And do a quick...
Oh, right, there's the countdown clock there, yeah?
Okay. 51 seconds.
Hit it at 30, yeah.
This is what they've been waiting for all night long.
Okay, everyone.
Early in the day, they made it through the rain
Is
at
anybody else
times, but
watching
now
Yeah?
the drop coming down.
It's 67.
30 seconds.
Right. You need to drop the first part of the ball.
It's about to rain confetti in 20 seconds.
20 seconds.
Over all
Where's
the
the confetti?
revelers tonight, 1 million people in Times Square. Here we go. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy New Year. Wait a minute. Oh, wait, there's more. There's more. There's this. Butterflies out. Got the butterflies out. And then we also have, hold it, but wait, there's more. Where's the confetti? There's the confetti.
Whoa! And the dogs are up.
Somebody clean up this mess. Yes. Okay. Let me just put on my shoes really quickly. Boy, that confetti was exciting.
Let's turn the lights back on.
I have my snowmobile suit on already. Don't see you fly anywhere.
Here's Happy New Year, Penny. Oh yeah, she's a bit nonplussed by the whole thing. There's the ball. Thank you for the ball. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. There we go. All right, let me get my my light, my hat, and we're going for a walk. I'll take the dogs with me.
Don't let anybody tell you we don't do things with style around here.
Yeah, well, I'm wearing my favorite snowmobile suit. I know. Doesn't get any better than a snowmobile suit from the 1980s, but whatever. Okay, let's go take our tour.
Right, how do you want to do this?
This can be the... Yeah, you coming? All right. Okay, come on, everybody. We now... Come on, Penny. Come on, Penny. Let's go. All right. Gotta clean up that mess later.
Will they be all right with the fireworks?
Yeah. They'll just be barking. Come on, dog. Come on. Come on. Dog.
So Janine is going to take us down and take a look around some of the areas we've not been able to look around for a while.
Going in the laundry.
She's going in.
Yeah. up at midnight. Not what I am.
No, me neither.
Okay.
And I just want to say thank you to Betty for the food. It was really nice. We sat down and
Okay, here we
had dinner like some regular people.
Let's hopefully it opens.
So here we are at the laundry building.
Happy New Year, everyone. 2020.
5. And we can't get in.
All right, we can break in.
The worrying thing about when Janine says we can break in, I can tell it's the kind of thing she's done before, you know? Says it with a kind of...
Oh, Jesus, that door is shut. Hold it. But wait, I got another plan. Okay, I'll go around the side.
Okay. And she's a well-skilled and experienced cat burglar. As you can see. It's an essential skill around here.
All right, failure's not an option. But that door's locked.
Oh my gosh.
So, that's a failure. Come on, everybody, out, 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 out. Come on, Mark, out.
What was the key that Elizabeth had? Is that for the ICU?
Let's see if we can get everything in the ice house. No, that's utter disappointment. Okay, let's go in the ice house. I haven't been in the ice house in 2 years. All right, maybe they are locked inside. Still clean up around here. That's tomorrow's another day.
I think that's the one Elizabeth's got the key for. Yeah.
Okay, we're in. Yay, yay. Okay. Oh, jeez.
Smell bad?
Whoa.
Oh, it doesn't smell good at all.
Oh my God. I wish you just keep these doors open. Holy crap.
Hmm.
Wow. All right.
Is there a light switch? Here we are.
And there's this on. Oh my God.
It smells really bad in here.
This is disgusting. Wow. Okay. Well, we're in. Holy crap. Let's get out of here. This is like.
It smells like...
There's pee all around the corner. I can see it right there. It's dried pee all around there.
Yeah.
Okay, oh Jesus, let's get out of here.
I think even the dogs aren't that impressed.
Yeah, come on, dogs. Ooh, 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 ooh.
That's some bad smelling wee.
Yeah. Okay.
Why don't we go over to the
We
barn?
have our work cut out for us. Come on. Everybody out there. Leave these doors open if you can. Everybody out. I'll just leave them open.
Yeah.
I mean, there's dried pee all around the corner, so I guess we should wash it. Sorry. Okay. Whew. That's good. That's good. Okay. Notice here all of the metal fencing has been torn and taken away. And then come down here.
Happy New Year, donkeys, goats, cows.
This out. I know. So it still smells bad, but it doesn't bad as it was. We were able to come in here this afternoon, and Belinda, who is one of our volunteers, washed this down, just the floors. It is pretty smelly still, but a couple days of washing it down. Someone said a bowl of white vinegar will collect the smell.
Yeah, vinegar, and the other thing is they get the extra strong hydrogen peroxide.
Oh, okay.
Is a good one.
Yeah.
And cat litter, like can help absorb
Yeah.
some of the stench.
So that's what we're gonna. I mean, this is not nearly as bad as the ice houses.
I tell you, I think I'd take horses, donkeys, and mules over dogs any day. Because I mean, they pee and
Yeah.
poo a lot, but it doesn't smell quite so bad for some reason.
That was bad.
Huh?
And then if you come in here, we were able to look at some of this today. This is cleaning too. All the shelves are now gone. I've already had my carpenter in here talking about how to make this into, he came this afternoon to put in, talk about putting in the new fence around the ice house. We didn't go in, we just walked around the outside. And how to, make this into the stalls that we need for donkeys. This is gonna be a donkey stall here. And then go down here. This will be a storage stall. The room that the 9 and 10 will be my mother's, what we're calling the playroom, to make the ropes. And then this is the feed room, and there's a light to the feed room, which is
There we go.
up. And then around here. We have a lot of work to do, we know that, but this is pretty exciting here too.
Oh, this is the arena.
Yeah.
Is there a way to turn lights on in here?
There's this thing that you plug together.
You can see the arena. I guess there's probably some folks who tune in have never seen this before. Yeah?
Yeah.
But you can see the size of this space. Pretty huge.
So I'm just going to take the remaining. We're going to have to put another layer of stone dust on top
Yeah.
of this. And I'll just open the door to the arena. We have a fan and just start airing it out. And Sizzle's going to add to it. She's just going to pee right now. Those holes are going to fix, but for the most part, it's just nice to have it back. All right, come on, guys, let's go.
Hold on.
And then we walked through here, and actually currently with us today. Lots of work that needs to get done in the ceilings. We'll make this into another big stall, which will have an opening out to the back. And this will be like a folding stall or an overflow stall. So, yeah.
Super.
So that's good.
We've got a bit of a slow connection at this bit.
Come back this way. Come on, Dad.
We could go out this way or
It feels
something.
very good to be back in the barn. Very good. So there's a lot of holes. We're gonna, we talked about putting new sideboards on the outside of the barn and on the inside of the barn. We gotta fix
It goes larky.
Not really.
Where are you going, guys?
We definitely have our work cut out.
No, Sizzle, you're the clever one. You just stay there.
Yeah, she's like, what's going on? But we have a plan, and we're gonna start tomorrow. So tomorrow's a big day. Metal guy's coming, and on Friday I've got the guy coming to put up they took down all the fencing around the ice house, so we're gonna be putting in new black chain link fence that's 6 feet tall all around for the new kennel that we'll use for the dogs, for Goldy Farm and whoever else, for people that we need a kennel, so that's where that's going. And that fence is going up, I'm very excited about that. And the same guys are gonna be fixing the integrity of the, Honeymoon Hill, there's a bunch of panels, they took down all the paneling there too, so we're gonna have to we're gonna have to fix it so my mother's dogs can go out. And this will be good, it'll be good.
Yeah, and this is the room where Carlene's gonna play, yeah?
Yeah, this is her playhouse, playroom.
Yeah.
She's not gonna live here.
You try and stop her. Like, she'll probably bring her big chair down here
Oh, I'm sure.
and just move in.
Where she's going to set up all
Yeah.
the ropes, all monkey fists, all
Yeah.
this crazy crap that she does. She now has a rope for it. So that's good. Yeah, so that's the tour and the little.
Okay.
Yeah, so.
All right. So I think we'll say good night, and there'll be more of this to come. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Thanks, everybody. Thanks
Happy
for-
New Year.
Happy New Year.